Mary, the manager just called. Table 7 is ready for the proposal dinner.
Good. The flowers are on the table, the candles are lit, everything looks perfect.
Wait, I see a problem. The name card says Linda. The reservation is for Brenda.
Oh no, that is the wrong name.
The guests arrive in 10 minutes.
I can fix it. Do you have a pen?
Yes, here.
Done. Now it says Brenda. Good.
Thank you. Also, the ring box. Where is it?
The ring box? The guest left it at the front desk.
I will get it now.
Hurry, they're walking in.
Here is the box. I put it under the napkin. Wait, Mary, look.
What is wrong?
He is not proposing. He is crying.
Oh, she said no.
What do we do now?
We bring dessert, slowly, and we say nothing.
Good idea. I will get the chocolate cake.
And I will bring more water. Poor man.
This is a difficult night for him.
Yes, but we do our job. We stay professional.